This is English 4, week 6. So for today, we have another topic, and that is all about verbs. Okay, so what is a verb? A verb is a word that shows an action. Specifically, we are talking about action verb here. Okay, from the word action, we have act, meaning it shows action, it shows movement. Okay, so we have two kinds of action verb, and those are transitive verb and then the intransitive verb. So let's start with the transitive verb. So what is a transitive verb? It needs an object. Okay, so let's just say for the sentence or phrase, I bought. Okay, so as you can see, it seems like there's something missing, right? Parang it doesn't make sense. Diba? But when teacher added, I bought a car. Okay, so here our transitive verb is bought, right? So sabi daw, transitive verb, it needs an object. So here, the car here is our direct object. Okay, meaning it tells who or what after the verb. Okay, so here, I bought what? Okay, very good. A car. So here, car is our direct object. Okay, another example. He wrote a letter. So here, our verb here is the word wrote, right? That is our verb. While our direct object is letter, right? It's because it answers the question or it tells what after the verb, right? He wrote what? A letter. Okay, so that is the transitive verb. So let's now move on with the intransitive verb. So here, unlike the transitive verb, it doesn't need an object. Okay, meaning the sentence can stand alone. Okay, so for example, the baby smiled. So here our verb is smiled, right? So that is our intransitive verb. Okay, the sentence here makes sense already. Okay, that's why it doesn't need an object. Okay, another example, John is sleeping. So here we already know that John is sleeping. It doesn't need an object. Okay, because the sentence is okay already. That is the intransitive verb. Okay, so there's more examples. Jessica reads a book. So here, our verb here is reads, right? So you're going to ask yourself, reads what? Okay, and that is the book. Okay, so the book here is our direct object. Okay, which makes it a transitive verb. Okay, because as you can see here, we have a direct object. Okay, next, Dan shoots the ball. So here our verb is shoots. Okay, so we are going to ask again, shoots what? And that is the ball. So the ball here is our direct object, which also makes it a transitive verb. Okay, another one, she baked cookies. So here our verb is bake, right? And then bake what? Okay, cookies. That makes it our direct object. That's why we call the sentence or the verb as the transitive verb also. Okay, let's see with the next sentence. Chloe is dancing. So here, the first thing you need to find is the verb. Okay, and our verb here is dancing. Right? So after the word dancing, does it have an object? No, right? That's why it is intransitive verb. Right? Another one. Lakers won. So here, our verb is won, which makes it also an intransitive verb. And then the last one, the birds sing. Okay, so here we have sing as the verb, and then Does it need an object or direct object? No, which makes it also an intransitive verb. Okay, so did you get the difference between intransitive and transitive verbs? Alright, so let's now move on with the next one. Okay, so the opposite of action verb is what we call the linking verb. Okay, so from the word linking, what is the root word of this one? Link, right? Meaning, it does not express action. Instead, it connects the subject of the sentence to a word in the predicate. Okay, also, these are the examples of the linking verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, and then being. Okay, so here, these are the words or these are the action words that can also function as linking verbs. Okay, we have here appear, look, sound, seem, smell, taste, grow, feel, become, turn, remain, and then stay. Okay, so as you can see, these are all action verbs, right? But then they can also function as linking verbs, right? So let's now move on to our example. So here, Joey is a comedian. Okay, so here, Joey is the subject. Okay, and then the linking verb here is what? Very good. Is. That is our linking verb. And then here we also have what we call the subject complement. Okay, meaning it complements the subject. Okay, with the help of the linking verb. Right? It links the idea between Joey and then the comedian. Meaning to say, Joey is what? Okay, a comedian. Right? Did you understand it? Next. The roses are pretty. So what is our linking verb here? Very good. It's are. Okay, so are here links the ideas between what? Very good. The roses and then the word pretty. Right? I was late yesterday. So here our verb is was. Okay? That is our verb. And then it links the idea between I and then the word late. Okay? And then another one, they were working late last night. So here, what is our linking verb? Very good. It's where. Okay? So here, another example from teacher is like this. Let's just say that the bear is, again, when we say action verb, it shows action. When we say linking verb, it links ideas. Okay, so let's just say the bear, the bear ate the fish. Okay, that is the action verb. Okay, what makes it action verb? Because of the verb here, it. Okay, so while here, the linking verb, let's just say the bear looks, okay, sorry. It can be the bear is, okay, we can just say the bear is hungry. Okay, what makes it linking verb? Okay, because of the verb here is. Alright, so it links the idea between the bear being hungry. Okay, so that is the difference between the action verb and then the linking verb. Okay, I hope by this time you already understand the difference between them. Okay, so let's now have our drill. So here you just have to find the verb in each sentence. Identify if the verb is action verb by writing AV or linking verb by writing LV. Okay? So here, Shane and Shai cleaned the room. So our verb here is what? Very good. It's cleaned. So what do you think is the word cleaned? AV or LV? Very good. It's an AV, meaning it's an action verb. Alright, next. My cousin Kyle is a swimmer. So the verb here is is. Okay, it links the idea between Kyle and then swimmer. Okay, which means this is an or this is a linking verb. Very good. Another one, the man rolled his sleeves. So here our verb is rolled. Okay, so rolled is what? Action verb also. Next, they went to Seoul, South Korea. The verb here is went, and then went here is also action verb. Right here, elephant is a mammal. So our verb here is. And then, as you all know, this is a linking verb. Okay? Another one, architect Lian designed our house. So here we also have the verb design. And then design here is what? Very good, an action verb. Okay? So the next drill is about identifying the verb in each sentence. And then identify if it is TV, which means transitive verb, or IV, which means intransitive verb. Okay, so the first one, she bakes cookies. So here, what is our verb? All right, bakes. Okay, and then you're going to ask, bakes what? Very good. It's the cookie. So we have here our direct object, which makes this sentence or this verb as what? Very good. As transitive verb because it has a direct object. Okay, next, let's talk. Okay, so here, can you see a direct object here? No, right? We only have the verb. So it means this is an intransitive verb, right? Then here, the water is running. Okay, the verb here is what? Running. Okay, and then do we have a direct object here? No, we don't have, which makes it intransitive verb also. Okay, then here she sells sampaguita flower. So our verb here is sells. And then, do we have a direct object here? Very good. It is the sampaguita flower. Okay, which makes this verb as what? Transitive verb. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. As for your seat work, I want you to analyze A, B, C, and D on pages 67 to 68.